Welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Beast of Reincarnation game crashing or crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, stuck on black screen or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, you have to go below and here you will find system requirements. Both minimum as well as recommended requirements are mentioned over here. Before you play the game, check all of these requirements and after that try to play the game and check. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once it is done, now launch the game and check. Next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. The next method is to allow the game through firewall. Go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, from here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. After that, click on change settings and then you have to check whether the game is listed over here or not. If the game is not listed, you have to click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add the game to the list. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and after that click on OK. Once you have done this, now try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadowplay, MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to modify launch option. So for that, you have to go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, type windowed and then launch the game and see if this helps to resolve the problem. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. From here, you have to click on check for updates option. It will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version. And after that, launch the game and check. Next is to update your graphics card. Make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. After that, you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. So click on it. Click on yes. Now wait for some time. Once this is finished, you will get setup successful message. Close this. After that, you have to restart your PC and once your PC restarts, again launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to disable antivirus software. So if any antivirus software is installed on your PC, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game and then check if it's working. Next method is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam. Here you have to click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear a local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam, confirm it, and after that again log into Steam using your username and password and then launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the search option. From here, you have to search for task manager. Now under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. So you have to select all those apps that is running in the background and after that right click on it and then click on enter. So this will close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to install DirectX on your system. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. After the website opens, click on the download option. This will download DirectX on your system. After that, you have to install it. And once you install it, now try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, enable the Steam overlay while in game option. You can see if this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check. Similarly, for GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on get icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, you have to go to the search option, search for graphics settings. Here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game to the list, now here you have to select the game, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. So after selecting high performance, now launch the game and check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Beast of Reincarnation game. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and again click on uninstall option. This will delete the game from your PC. After that, once you have to restart your PC, and once your system restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Beast of Reincarnation game, and finally click on the play button to check if the game is launching or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Beast of Reincarnation game crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, stuck on black screen, error on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.